Where the bloody hell is he? No, I have no idea, mate. He's probably running late. Okay. Sorry I'm late. What the hell took you so long? Look, I overslept my alarm. It's 9 o'clock. Well, look, I stayed up. I went to sleep late last night. Can we just go on this adventure now? Fine. Alright, let's go. Hey, Nigel, Thomas, I've been needing to ask, where exactly are we going on this adventure? I have no idea, mate. I thought you were the one planning this adventure. I'm just coming along for the ride. So, you're saying we have no idea where we are, and we have no idea where we're going. Splendid. We're not lost, you idiot. I know exactly where we are. Well then, where are we? Our carport. What? Yep, all we gotta do is keep following the main line and then we can go where we go. This was a bloody stupid idea. So, you little adventure went awry, eh? Oh, shut up. And what exactly happened? I got too cold and windy, so we had to abandon the adventure. Sucks too, because I was gonna have a great adventure. Look, guys, don't be blaming me because we can't have a little adventure, alright? Look, no one is accusing you of ruining our adventure. You were right. The wind was too strong for us to be out there. Yeah, you're not at fault. Well, I mean, thanks, guys. So, what now? We're gonna have to wait until tomorrow to do an adventure. Oh, you're kidding, right? I mean, if you want to go have your own adventure, you can. But fine, I will. Come on, Linus. We're coming with you. Well, okay, I've never been on an adventure before.